Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Kaushiv here from CaliWorks with
What's going on?
I hope you guys are all having a great day. So anyway, today, but anyway, today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be changing his interior, Saheel's interior, to black. So you guys can see we're gonna change all of this, all the carpets, some of the trim pieces here to black. So that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing today.
Yeah, so basically we're just gonna like turning my whole interior black and like the roofs and shit, we're just gonna like take it by portions. So each week there's gonna be something new, but right now we're just gonna knock down my carpet and those side panels by the door, and then we have like this vinyl little spray thing. It's pretty good, so I will show you that when we get home. But we're gonna go to AutoZone real quick, grab some brushes and carpet cleaner, clean the carpet first, and then we should be all good. I'm gonna take off my mask. So basically we got a brush right here, and the only reason I'm getting a brush is because like my fear when I spray like the paint that we got, the dye or whatever, like the fabric's gonna clump up. So basically we're just gonna use this in between coats and try to break up the fabric.
That a Supra, dog? Oh, damn, that a Supra fucker?
Super fucker.
So basically, I'll further explain what's going on. Seeing focus. It's right here, the carpet here, trim piece here, going around through here, and what, all gonna be going black? So all of that. So we gotta go ahead and take the seat out.
So
I want to go ahead and explain.
Yeah, so how you take the seat, basically these covers right here. Alright, so basically this comes off like that.
Boom.
And it should come out too. I'm painting these black also.
Paint those black too.
So
the vibes.
bolt right here, bolt right here. So then we go get those bolts real quick. Bolts.
So a little bit thing on my car over there. What I'm gonna be doing, I think sometime next week, I'm gonna go ahead and get my car like PPF on it, like on the front bumper and the headlights, so protect it from like rock chips and shit. Because obviously I spend that much on the bumper, I don't wanna like have hella rock chips and shit on it. Don't mind the copyright music in the back.
Oh fuck, should I lower it?
It's fine. Well, use the muscles, dude. Back up before you like smack me in the face.
Fuck.
Want me to do it?
Oh fuck. Hold on. Almost got it.
I see it moving. There you go. Ah. Take that off, you gotta take some, put some elbow grease, huh?
Dude, that shit was that large.
The man was using his whole freaking body.
Let's take this clip off too. Quickly, move the seat forward and take out the bolts. And you must be wondering, well, the seats have airbags, so we need like the batteries to like move the seat and get all like the bolts. And when we're done with both sides, before taking it out, we're gonna unhook the battery so like the airbags don't pop because of the wiring.
You don't want to get smacked in the face with an airbag, dude.
Yep.
So you gotta.
Okay, let me just try it this way.
Use that power, dude. Football power.
Dude, these two were the bitches.
Get in the back seat. A lot of action back here, huh?
Oh, a whole lot. Ah, fucking dude. Hella fucking easy. It's like hella awkward too. Like an awkward space.
Need to get more paint.
Yeah, because now I'm looking at it, just a lot of pieces of paint, you know?
Yeah, I know there's a lot of stuff you gotta do. So we got these ones out, by the way. You just gotta use a lot of elbow grease to do all that.
Oh yeah.
And then
Grimy.
oh, we got a little junior right here, dude. Keep it. Junior right here. He's coming out. Right in front of you. Hey, you home?
Hey, what up?
All these pieces as well. I can't speak, dude. So all of them are gonna be black as well, which is gonna look pretty dope. And then we're gonna look at the roof potentially getting that black, right?
Yeah, I might do the. Alright, yeah, I have no room for the Starlight because I was about to do that, but yeah. If I had no sunroof, then I would do the Starlight.
Alright, what's the dealio?
So now we're gonna disconnect the battery. Fiber cloth. Doesn't touch. Touch nothing.
Oh, everything, the battery's unhooked. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking out the seat and we'll catch you when it's out. Alright guys, so we just took out all the seats. We got everything out, so you guys can see. It's all out. It's pretty dirty right now. So that one too. There was a lot of wires you can see right here. All these wires you have to take out. So yeah, kind of difficult. Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and start. We're gonna vacuum up all the stuff here, all the gunk and shit, and then go ahead and start putting like painter's tape around all the areas, and then start getting to painting. All right, guys. So I'm gonna squeeze by you real quick. So we got the whole back seat out right here. You can peep it. All you gotta do, the back seat's out. You gotta get these things right here. There's 2 screws over there. Same thing on that side. And you push it out from the trunk, and then you just pull. Get these pieces out right here. These are just basically pull-out tabs. And yeah. So yeah, basically we're just gonna go ahead and take off the trim pieces, so it makes it a bit easier, so we don't get any like overspray. Pull it out. I got you, dog. Nice. Oh wow, that's the whole panel, dog.
Should be.
Yeah, there you go. Try from that side. Just take the whole thing out.
Yeah.
Nice.
Gotta work your way through it.
Go. Oh, buddy. Oh, we got some wires. We got some wires.
Okay.
Alright, I'll take this.
Hold on, let me try to fix this piece.
Okay. Catch you guys in a second, guys.
Kaushiv's car.
Get all the trim pieces.
This is what the situation's looking like.
G37, part out. Get us up. You want some parts?
And then we got Saheel here.
What up?
You parting out the car?
Oh yeah, drift missile.
Drift missile, part out.
It looks alright. Yeah.
So these are the pieces. Probably do more coats on it, obviously, but you know, it's looking good. Making it black. What do you think?
We should have started earlier.
Start earlier. I mean, that's typical Caliworks fashion, you know. We still have the carpet to do, and then we have the rest of the interior pieces. We still have these pieces still left.
It looks like that's just his first coat. Imagine like 3 coats. It's gonna look really nice.
Dude, yeah, let me get a close up. Ooh, it's pretty nice, dude. I like it. So let me show you guys what we're using. We're using this thing right here. Focus, focus. Boom. So honestly, these things were like what? If you go to like AutoZone, O'Reilly, whatever, it costs about what, like $7.99 to be honest. So pretty cheap. I bought 3 cans for like 20 bucks. So not bad, really reasonable. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in a bit.
Oh my god, don't give me in it.
Hold on, copyright. Ooh.
Enchiladas, got the beans making.
Awesome. Alright, so I started doing the carpet. You're already in it, dude.
Oh my god.
Alright, so Saheel over here is already doing his carpet. Peep that shit. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, what the barnacles?
Damn.
And freaking tape. So how it is. This is the before shot. Let me get the before right now. This is the before. We're still doing, he's still gonna do more coats, right? Where'd you go?
Yeah, definitely.
So, what's the process? How are we doing this? Or how are you doing it?
Dude, I don't know. The tape doesn't even fucking stick, first of all.
So, if you guys are gonna do this, number one, get some better tape. Like some good painter's tape. That's what I would recommend. But, I mean, that's how it looks like just from the first coat. So, it's not bad. Huh? Not bad? Not bad, not bad. So we still got more stuff to do. And then the back, sorry for the windows, it's pretty. And then we got these pieces here. The ones that went on the side. So that's pretty good. We got these ones here. Got the other little pieces. Most of them just still need more coats. These are just like probably 2 or 3 coats. And then we got this one here. The ones that go on the side from the back seat. Pretty good. And then we got this one as well for the other side. It looks pretty good. I mean, they dry pretty quick, I'm not gonna lie. And it turns out really good. It looks just like mine, to be honest. You can't even tell the difference. So I'll probably just do a little bit more coats because, you know, still it's kind of light around here and all that, so it kind of needs a bit more. So yeah, I'm gonna do some more coats. We're gonna check up on Saheel in a little bit. Alright guys, keep it out now. Fully black. You guys can tell because the lighting is like pretty weird. But yeah, it's all fully black now on here. Looks pretty freaking nice. Looks like, I feel like I'm looking inside my car right now. This looks pretty good. How many coats did you do?
I don't remember. I just kept on going until it was like fully black.
Nice, nice. Our only problem right now is
the last can.
It's the last can. I went to like 2 different places. I went to AutoZone and I went to O'Reilly's, and I bought all of them that they had at AutoZone, which is like 3. And then I went to O'Reilly's, and O'Reilly's only had 1. So that kind of sucks. Freaking nice in here. I'm pretty impressed, dude. Looks really good. It's all blacked out.
I need one more coat on that side, and I think I'm done.
So I need one more coat. Yeah, the camera doesn't really do it justice when you see it in person, but yeah, it looks pretty freaking nice. Alrighty guys, so we just finished up. You see, look, it's looking mint. We got all the pieces together. This is all black. Those pieces right there, all black. Black. In that corner, I don't know if you guys can't see it. It's black. Anyway, and then see right here, carpet here is all black. We got the trim pieces right here. Hey, motherfucker, watch out, dog. Yeah, bless you, Corona. Corona. COVID. This is their black, like it was like these ones right here, these guys right here. So yeah, it was looking pretty nice.
It's really like good. It's like OEM right there.
Dude, yeah, it actually looks pretty good. Like if you compare it, like look at this. So we got that, and then we have mine. That one's like mine. So it looks pretty much like it's always been black. Interview.
Like from like a bottle of like paint, whatever it was, give it a 10 out of 10, but obviously it's not gonna be 100% good. Like if you have hard pieces like this, it's gonna scratch obviously, and it's gonna see, but you just gotta be careful with it. But it's better than nothing.
What about your experience? How was it?
It was good, but it takes a lot of paint.
Yeah.
You need a lot of bottles.
It takes a lot of bottles to do it. How much did we use? We used like what, 5, 6?
6, 5.
No, we used 5. We used 6. So we used 6 bottles.
Do these.
So yeah, we have to do those. We didn't get to do that because we ran out, but
I'm gonna go tomorrow and try.
probably do that, clean that up, and then turn it all black. His rear ones were already black because he got it from Jason's G37. His all other ones from there.
Oh yeah.
So he got it from there. So shout out Jason for those. But yeah. So far everything went well. We knocked it out in a day. We started around like 1, 2 o'clock. I want to say around 2. And right now It is currently focus. You guys can't even see it's backwards, fucking dumbass. It's 6:57, so it's around 7 o'clock. So it took about 6 to 5 hours. So yeah, it took about 5 to 6 hours to do. Obviously recommend to do it on like a sunny, like windy-ish type of day, so everything could dry quickly.
And also the smell of it will fuck you over.
Yes, the smell of it will really fuck you over because it's so strong. It's literally like, it's paint basically, so it'll mess you up in a way. So just make sure you guys are wearing like a mask or something. Here's the bumper, by the way, and looking pretty, well, cold start. So the bumper right here is looking amazing. It already got dirty, so you know, what can you do? So here it is. I'm actually thinking about wrapping my car. I already have a color in mind. I haven't told the guys yet what color I'm gonna do, but I have a color in mind of which I want to wrap my car. I don't know when I'm gonna be doing it yet because I want to get all my trim pieces, my exterior pieces first, such as I want to get carbon fiber trunk for sure. I want to get a diffuser. I also want to get the IPL side skirts because, you know, it'll kind of match it. It kind of sticks out a bit more as well. And also I want nice. And then I also want to get a carbon fiber hood. I kind of mentioned that. I mentioned that in the last video because my paint is already kind of chipping. Carbon fiber fenders. I don't know about those just yet, but as for right now, I'm not going to. But I really do. In the future, obviously, I really do want to get them. I don't know when. But yeah, I still have a bunch of pieces I want to get before I go ahead and wrap my car. So actually, Saheel does know the color, so he guessed it right away. So I'm not gonna put that in, and I'm not putting in his part. I'm not gonna bleep it because, you know, you guys can read his lips. So yeah, like I said, if you guys can guess the color, the first person that I see that gets it exactly right, like on the money, then I'll hook you guys up with something. I'll give you guys like,
it's some exotic ass color.
Yeah, exotic ass color. So if you guys get the color right, I'll give you guys 10 bucks. 10 bucks PayPal.
He will give you your ass.
Whoa, are you gonna give them your ass?
That would be Corona.
Oh, right there, huh? Right there. Hey. You have anything else to say for the video?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. You
Wear
guys.
your mask, wear your gloves. You know how it is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everyone's over here starving.
Yep, you said it. So yeah, you guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, you know, something kind of different. Yeah, you guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did, drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are new. Anyways, guys, thank you guys again, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Also, one last thing was we're doing a giveaway, by the way. So don't forget about that. We're still doing our giveaway for the $100 if you get us to 500 subscribers. So please do that. Share it, share the channel with your friends, family, tell them to subscribe, and all you gotta do is just comment down that you are subscribed and that you follow our Instagram, where we're gonna leave down below. So go ahead and follow that, and yeah, that's pretty much that. And then that's all you got to do to enter, is make sure that you're following our Instagram page and obviously subscribe to the channel, and just comment your IG down below. I'm gonna link the video of where we talked about the giveaway, so comment your IG on that video. So yeah, once again, I'll see you guys later. Peace.